In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sort dates in Power BI in ascending order. If your dates aren't lining up from earliest to latest, or months appear out of order because they're treated like text, this quick walkthrough will fix that and make your reports much clearer. First, head to the table view of your data. In Power BI Desktop, that's the data view, represented by the table icon on the left sidebar. This view lets you work directly with the columns and values in your model, which is the best place to verify and correct how a date column is behaving. Next, in the data pane on the right, select the table that contains the date column you want to sort. If your model has multiple tables, make sure you're on the one that holds the specific date field used in your visuals or calculations. After you select the table, you'll see its columns listed in the main grid. Now, click on the header of your date column to make sure it's active. This ensures that whatever action you take applies to the correct field. With the header selected, right-click it and choose Sort Ascending. This tells Power BI to order the values from the earliest date to the most recent. If your column truly is a date field, you should immediately see the rows reorder properly. If it doesn't sort correctly, that usually means the column isn't recognized as a date yet. Sometimes imported data comes in as text, and text sorting will put, for example, April before February, which is not what you want. Click the column header again to keep it selected, then look at the ribbon across the top. Under the Column Tools tab, find the Data Type drop-down and change it to Date. This tells Power BI to treat those values as calendar dates. If you only care about the date and not the time of day, choosing date instead of date/time helps avoid unexpected ordering caused by hidden time values. Once the data type is set to date, your sort will behave correctly. If the view doesn't refresh immediately, simply click Sort Ascending again on the column header, and you should see the proper chronological order from oldest to newest. Also, be aware that blanks or invalid entries can appear at the top or bottom. That's normal behavior and can be handled later with cleaning rules if needed. That's all. By confirming the data view, selecting the right table, sorting the date column ascending, and ensuring the data type is set to date, you'll get consistent chronological ordering across your model and cleaner, more reliable visuals.